Hey there fellow car nerds, welcome back to MG Guy Vintage Vehicles. Greg here with a new kit car vehicle video showcasing some of the hottest vehicles available for sale across North America this week. You'll find links in the video description below for each of these vehicles. Alright, enough talk, let's get on with today's kit car vehicles for sale. Okay, let's get started with this 1987 Pontiac Fiero with a Fiero Widebody kit listed for $11,000 US in Appling, Georgia. From the seller's description, 1987 Pontiac Fiero with a rare Fiero Widebody kit and a Cadillac Northstar 4.6 liter 32 valve V8, Wilwood brakes, shaved door handles, approximately 60,000 miles on the drivetrain, 30,000 miles on the build, clean title, fully street legal, insurable and drivable. Some paint chips, minor cosmetic flaws, and quirks, open to partial trades and cash. And up next we have this 1962 Austin Healey Sebring 3000 Replica listed for $25,000 US in Mera Beach, Florida. From the seller's description, Sebring 3000 Replica of a 1962 Austin Healey Ford V8 automatic transmission, 4-wheel disc power brakes, air conditioning, tilt steering column, factory hardtop and soft top, for sale or possible trade for a Chevy C10.
I can hear it coming. It's coming around the bend. There she is. Look at how beautiful. Hello, Roadster. Looking good, sounding good. Yeah, nice. Yeah, man. She could be yours. You will love her.
Alright, here we have a 1934 Fraser Nash Roadster listed for $6,500 US in Altadena, California. It's been driven 24,000 miles, has a manual transmission, and a clean title. From the seller's description, replica of a 1934 Fraser Nash Roadster built by a NASA rocket scientist for racing time trials on a 69 VW Beetle, customized high horsepower engine, clean title, currently registered and running. Okay, this is a project car, a 1970s Corsair stripper listed for $3,500 US in Texas City, Texas. It is a manual transmission, and from the seller's description, Corsair stripper, built sometime in the early to mid 80s, Volkswagen-based kit car, no VIN or title currently, project that I think it's time to let go of, 90 Subaru STL motor that needs to be gone through, freshened up. I do have all the other body pieces, they're just in storage at the moment. Alright, here we have a 1974 Dune Buggy, listed for $19,500 Canadian in Brownsburg, Chatham, Quebec. Its condition is listed as used good, and from the seller's description. 1974 Dune Buggy, 4-speed manual, 1600 engine. Alright, we're going to stay north of the border for a moment. Here we have a 1932 Bugatti Replica, listed for $15,000 Canadian in Timmins, Ontario. Its condition is listed as used like new, and from the seller's description. Replica of a 1932 Bugatti Type 55, custom built, fiberglass body with original forms, Fiat 1600 engine, 7,300 kilometers. And here we have a 1972 Volkswagen Manx SR2, listed for $25,000 US in Richmond, California. It has a manual transmission, listed in very good condition, and has a clean title. From the seller's description, Manx SR2 kit car, fiberglass Targa style body, VW chassis, original turbine wheels, 2-liter VW engine, dual Weber carbs, 4-wheel disc brakes, minimal gauges, lights and brakes work, documented authentic Manx, no wipers or weather protection, open to offers. Okay, here's one sent in to me by viewer Andy. Thanks very much, Andy. I appreciate it. If any of you find a vehicle you think might fit one of my videos, feel free to send a link to the ad to my email at mgguyvintagevehicles@gmail.com. There is a link provided to that email in the description below the video. Alright, here we have a 1970s heeled hauler, listed for $1,700 US in Watertown, Wisconsin. Its condition is listed as used fair, and from the seller's description. 1960s or 70s era heeled hauler. It's old and cool, and you ordered it from a magazine and assembled it. It's old, but it does run and drive once jumped. It does need a battery and the brakes don't work, but other than that, it runs and drives fine. $1,700 or best offer. Alright, here we have a 1987 Pontiac Fiero Mera Ferrari, listed for $25,499 US in Las Vegas, Nevada. It's been driven 92,100 miles, has a manual transmission, listed in very good condition, and has a clean title. From the seller's description. 1987 Pontiac Fiero Mera 5-speed manual. The Mera is a professionally rebodied Pontiac Fiero designed to resemble the Ferrari 308, sold as a brand new vehicle exclusively through Pontiac dealerships at the time. Okay, bringing up the rear, we have another project vehicle. Here we have a 1977 Sterling, listed for $5,500 US in Kaufman, Texas. It is a manual transmission and is listed in excellent condition. From the seller's description, 1977 Sterling kit car, new old stock kit that was never built, complete with manual, 1964 VW pan with title, no engine. Okay, so that's it for today's vehicles. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are enjoying my content, please consider becoming a channel member by clicking the join button below or using the link in the channel details below the video. For about the price of a cup of coffee per month, you will not only be helping me produce these videos, but you'll have access to each and every video before they go live on YouTube, usually around 24 hours ahead of the videos going live. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.